Otherwise, Popshield can be made using t-shirts, stockings, any kind of porous fabric, a kitchen sieve, embroidery hoop, or a loop of wire, such as a bent clothes hanger. You can also adapt a fishnet Popshield. And again, you don't want to attach your Popshield to your microphone. And you can also fashion your own recording box. There are a million variations of this design online. You can use a milk crate. This is one of those little tote closet organizer. So you can use something like that. And all this is really is just sound dampening foam inside a box. And the microphone sits in the box and you speak into the box. This is really just doing everything you can to make sure that the recording is the best it can be. You're certainly not ever going to have complete silence for recording unless you're in, an acoustically designed audio space that eliminates all noise. But honestly, most listeners are not going to care about a minimal amount of noise. It just depends on what the recording is. But this type of setup would serve you very, very well, blocking out a good 80% of any possible sound that would mess with your microphone. One thing to mention about the foam is that you'll see that there are triangles cut into this foam. It's designed that way because those triangles, they stop sound waves. If you can get the wedged foam, that's great. You can also cut wedges. There are so many ways that you can achieve this for next to no money.